Yo, what is up guys? It's me, Wolfie, back at again with another video. So today I'm gonna do the before video for the mods because it's so stuck right now. I'll do the modification and then we'll do one after. Just let me know, should I do the whole modifications or should I do one by one and then test it? I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna do the filter and then the exhaust together and then test it out. Alright, you can go. Huh? You can go. Alright, that's my friend. He just started. Sounds good. Alright, so we're gonna try to have some gap between me and people. By the way, that's me upshifting without clutch. That's without the quick shifter. I still haven't installed that, so if you're wondering. Something. I gave it some juice, but still, like, it's not that safe to over here. Cars over here. Let me just pull up for my friend so he knows. I think he's coming right now. How was it? How was it? It was amazing. It's his first time like going above 150, right? That's your first time? Going over like 100. Yeah. Alright, so do you want to I'll do another run and then we go to 120, alright? Yeah, we go back. Just be careful, alright. Watch out. Oh, hell no, he's still on vlog. I got you on vlog. And also, I'm gonna do the tuning on it by myself. That was another pull for y'all. I just want to make sure the GPS was on so I can like confirm it, not by the speedometer, but because it's off. I know it's stuck, but like it's still off. I didn't hit it from first though. I hit it for I think second gear. By the way, you're using 3 fingers. You gotta use 2. Just squeeze. Now we just chill and then we go to 120, alright? Next exit, yeah. Alright, let's go. We chilling now. I think I got what I wanted. I didn't hit top speed though, but I think that's enough to give us like indicator of how much we gained, because we don't have a dyno over here, so I can like just go for a dyno run. That's all. Yeah, that was good. I'm just waiting for him. It's beautiful today. It started raining like an hour ago or something, but it wasn't like crazy. Bruh. Feels amazing. Like honestly, stock, you don't need anything more than that, but like trying to have fun with it. I think he's behind me. So basically I'm put a full system on it, but I think you'll like what the result gonna be. Let's get it foggy. Look at that, that's beautiful. What a good day to ride. You guys make sure you ride on every day you can ride. Like if you can ride on a day, don't be like, I'll ride another day, not today. Just go for a ride, enjoy the day. It's real bumpy over here. I'm thinking about doing like reviews on the mods that I got, so like you can know which thing is gonna benefit you most. But I'm still like ordering stuff for the motorcycles. It's not gonna be a crazy build. It's gonna be like something cool, like something clean, because I've never like seen CBRs getting clean builds that often, because people think the CBRs have less power than the 600s. Honestly, this one, comparing it to a Dynasty on other bikes, it's basically the same thing. 600 are so close together, it's only a matter of preference. It doesn't matter which brand you want to go with, it's basically all the same. Then you go on a 1000, and then you have some better options, better than others, but still get what you like to ride, like not what people want you to ride, because at the end of the day you'll be the one who's enjoying the bike. He has full gear, like he has boots, pants, a jacket, everything, but he just like wore the helmet and the gloves. He just quit. I'm trying to like teach him. When I got him into motorcycles, I was trying to tell him to be as safe as possible. Just be patient, don't rush it, and do the right things, wear gear, practice, and then you'll enjoy the ride. It's not that hard. I think he'll go on 120. Alright boys, I think that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, drop a like and give me your thoughts on the mods that I'm gonna do. Give me some suggestions if you have any, and I'll see you guys in the next one.